Hello everyone, I'm Yashvi Punia, your host from Carlilo, and today we are in the third generation Mini Countryman E, the first ever all-electric Countryman in India. It was launched in 2024 and now we are in 2026 and it's still the ultimate style statement in the electric family. So we started from Gurgaon at 97% battery and we have been driving in the green mode. And after living with this car for 4 days, let's do the real talk. Now let's talk about the drive feel. It's a grown-up car now. It doesn't feel like a toy anymore. It's planted and a solid SUV with 204 bhp and 250 Nm of torque. Now let's talk about soul of the car. There are 8 experience modes that change the sound, screen and lighting. So go-kart mode is my favorite. The steering tightens and the cabin fills with a synthetic engine roar. Talking about suspension, it's a bit firm. This car is meant for handling, not for floating. So if you want a cloud ride, then you'll have to look somewhere else. Now let's talk about NVH level. This car is quiet at low speeds, but at 120 km per hour, those 19-inch wheels bring some noise into the cabin. Talking about safety, this car has got 5-star Euro NCAP rating. You get 6 airbags and you also get level 2 ADAS features like adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist and many more. Now let's talk about regenerative braking. The B mode on the toggle is genius. So when you are driving, you lift your foot up, the car will slow down and it will push the energy back into the battery. Talking about battery, it has the battery capacity of 66.4 kilowatt hour, and if you want to charge it with 11 kilowatt AC charger, you can charge it in 6 hours from 0 to 100%. With 130 kilowatt DC fast charger, you can charge 10 to 80% in just 29 minutes. It's the biggest Mini ever, 13 cm longer and 6 cm taller. The party trick, you can change the rear LED light signatures from the screen. You get 460 liters of boot space. It's huge. We fit our entire camera kit and weekend bags with room to spare. This beautiful 9.4-inch round OLED display is completely a masterpiece. You get wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. You can change your exterior and interior lighting. You can even click pictures from here and record a video. And it's quite easy to use. The dash is covered in 2D knit fabric with ambient lights projecting on. There's no cluster here, just a simple head-up display. Since the gear shifter has moved to a tiny toggle on the dash, so the center console is open, you get wireless charging tray here, little bit of space here. You get twin cup holders and the storage box, which is beautifully covered by textile fabric. Then you have some space here, 2 Type-C charging ports and 12-volt power socket and a movable armrest. There's no leather here, it's all Veskin, vegan leather. The seats are electrically adjustable and the driver gets a massage function as well. In the rear, you finally get an actual legroom. It's 40-20-40 split. The door pads look like a designer loft with integrated Harman Kardon speakers that sound incredible. Mini claims a WLTP range of 462 km and today we have driven almost 284 km from DLF Phase 1 Gurgaon to Vaishali Nagar Jaipur, and right now it is showing us 131 km estimated range and 29% battery is left. So that gives us somehow 420 to 440 km of real world range only in green mode. We have completely driven it in green mode, that is your eco mode, and if you'll be driving it on go-kart mode or any other mode, it will give you a slightly lesser range. It's currently priced at 54.90 lakhs ex-showroom and you get battery warranty of 8 years or 1 lakh kilometer. Talking about resale value, you can expect around 60 to 65% of its price after 3 years. If you want a car with a personality that isn't just another white SUV, this is it. If you want to own this car, head to carlelo.com, calculate your EMI in 2 minutes and apply for car loans directly through us with the best rates possible. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Carlelo.